Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in my field and I'm cutting callaloo to make a quick breakfast. Look at these lovely things. Look at these lovely callaloo. Yeah, callaloo. I'm going to make a lovely breakfast this morning with some baked dumpling. You see how big? I don't need much. Okay, this is a lovely bunch of callaloo. Okay? You see all my papaya coming? Look at my papaya. Looking very nice. Yes, alright. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm back inside with my callaloo. I'm gonna pick them up and get it ready to cook. I tell you, with my baked dumpling. Alright, first I'm gonna catch some water in this and I'm gonna put some salt to wash it with salt. If any bug on the callaloo, the salt will just take it away. So I'm gonna pick up my callaloo to take off these rough edge first. Go through it, take off all these rough edges. All these leaves are okay. So what I'm just putting my water, my salt water. See pretty there, look? Okay, callaloo in the water for more than 10 minutes because I want everything to come off, right? Nice bundle of callaloo coming from my field. You can go through them one by one. Sometimes you will see something. Wash them properly. Don't use any chemical on my callaloo. No chemical. These are organic callaloo. No chemical on my callaloo. Natural stuff. Right? Okay. You have to drain the water off the callaloo. Because you don't want, when you're cooking the callaloo pot full of water. Okay? So I have to dry my callaloo. So I'm going to cut it on my cutting board and take it over the other side. And the best when you're cooking callaloo, you cut it very thin. You can eat some callaloo and it's junky. No, cut it very thin. Season taking the callaloo better and it eat much better. Okay? Okay, almost done. It's because I cut it, it's so small. That's why it takes me a little time. If you want to get a good heat from your callaloo, I'm telling you, just make it as fine as you, cut it as small as you can. Okay. I'm not wasting it. Coming from my garden, I am not wasting it. Okay. Okay guys, I'm back with my cut callaloo. This is how I cut up my callaloo ready to get steam. Okay, so I have with my callaloo all my onion, garlic, all the type of pepper. Okay, and then I have hot pepper. Okay, and so I have a cup of saltfish, codfish. I already cook it already, cut it up ready to go. And over here is my dry season. Then I have a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, a pinch of salt, you can see it here, and a 1/2 teaspoon of dash over here, and a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Okay, I can combine them together because I'm going to my pot now. I'm turning on my stove. Okay, and medium. Pot is on the fire. I'm going to put some vegetable oil in my pot. Okay, in my pot. My codfish. I don't like no codfish in the callaloo. It's alright. This is okay because it's not much. And I combine my seasoning and I put my seasoning in the pot here. Some of my callaloo. You're not gonna put everything one time, okay? You can, but you know I like to put little by little. Okay. Ooh, it smells good already and then I cook. It's nice when you eat what you grow. Very nice when you eat what you grow. You don't have no doubt when you're eating it, right? When it's steaming callaloo, it's not nice when you cover the pot because it's going to gather a lot of water. So you keep stir it until it's tender. Okay, I'm going to put a piece of butter, just some butter in the pot. Guys, it smells so good. I'm telling you, it smells so good. I'm gonna taste it because I don't want it to get soft. That's what I'm talking about. Tastes nice. Okay. Alright. I'm just gonna turn off the stove. Oh, it's done. Look. If you make it cook all the way through and get soft, then it's like no good. Crunchy. Very nice. Alright. I'm gonna turn my stove on and I'm going to my flour. I told you I'm gonna bake flour. I'm gonna bake it in the oven. Okay? So I'm gonna turn on my oven, turn right to my flour. Okay guys, I'm back with my flour. I told you I'm gonna bake dumpling. So this is 3 cups of flour and a half cup of cornmeal. I love to put, you hear my oven ready for me? Yes. So we don't need nothing more salt already. This is self-rising flour. It have everything in it. Okay. And here I have my cup, my glass here with my ice water. You see the ice? It's best when you're kneading dumpling to fry or to bake. You use ice water. Okay. Let me go ahead because my stove is telling me that it's ready. I preheat it already on 350. Some people put butter, but I don't want any butter in it. I don't want no butter in it right now. I could have, but I don't want no butter right now. But you could put a piece of butter if you want. Okay, I'm done. I am done. You don't have to knead the flour soft, tight. Softer it is better. It's nice now, see it? Very nice now. That's how you want your flour. I could put it in the refrigerator until I get ready for 10-15 minutes, but because I already use my ice water, I don't have to put it in. I can just go ahead and do what I'm doing. I don't have to put it in the fridge. Okay? All right. Okay, I put my baking container in the oven. I'm gonna put that with a piece of butter. I'm just making my dumpling as normal dumpling, okay? Can go a little smaller, you know. Many people don't like fried food, you know. So you don't like fried food? This is the best way to go. Okay guys, I am going to put it in the oven for like 15-20 minutes. If I do that and it's not done, then I can put it back. I think my dumplings, they are done. Wow, look at these golden brown dumpling. Look, I can need a little 2 more minutes for my plantain. Look at my dumplings, okay? Hey guys, I am back with my meal. Look at my dumpling. Look at my baked dumpling. See it? Look at my baked dumpling. Wow. My avocado, my plantain, my callaloo with saltfish or catfish, and my baked dumpling. Okay, and over here I'm gonna make some. This is Alaska tea chocolate. Okay, I'm gonna make some tea to drink with it. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoonful. I think this will do me. And I have some hazelnut here. I'm gonna put for sweetener. And I'm on my way to have my breakfast. Wow. Fill my cup too much. All right. So here goes. I'm taking some callaloo. Some callaloo, yes, in my plate here. I tell you that this callaloo smell good. Let me heat. I plant it, so let me heat. Okay, this will do me, right? I think I need 2 dumplings. 2 dumplings will do me good. Piece of avocado. Let me get 2 pieces. I love avocado to death. I love it. Okay. And also my plantain. This is only my callaloo are being oiled. Okay. Here goes my breakfast. All right. Time now to eat. I can't wait to sit down, but I just want to show you guys. Okay, let me open this dumpling first and show you my dumpling. Wow. Wow, look at my dumpling. Look at the dumpling. Wow. It's nice. I have a card here. Guys, I'm telling you, try it at home. And you're gonna say Rinky Plate is not lying. It's nice. It's nice. It's very nice. Okay, guys? Thank you for joining me this far. I say it at all time because, guys, you make me feel good. Okay? So I'm asking and begging you, share this video. Tell a friend. Remember to like, comments down below. Okay? Thank you all.